This sophomore through senior course will introduce you to a wide variety of horticulture science areas, including turf management, shrub and tree care, plant propagation, plant science, beginning floriculture, floral design, landscape maintenance and installation, horticulture mechanics and soils.
In Horticulture 1, we do a variety of things. We kind of do an introduction into turf management, into greenhouse production, floriculture or floral design, landscape design, and the greenhouse management area. So we do those areas throughout the year. We also include a unit in plant science, and that is what helps students pick up their science credit.
You will also have the chance to apply knowledge in lab with hands-on experiences. This course must be taken with the lab. You will earn science credit for the class and an elective credit for the lab.